Welcome back, travelers. Today, we're heading straight into the passionate heart of Andalusia, Seville, Spain. This sun-soaked city is where Moorish palaces whisper centuries-old stories, flamenco rhythms echo through cobblestone streets, and tapas bars tempt you at every corner. In this guide, I'll share everything you need to plan the perfect trip to Seville in 2025. From getting here and getting around, to must-see attractions, hidden gems, delicious food, and travel tips. By the end, you'll be ready to fall in love with Seville, just like I did. Why visit Seville in 2025? Seville is a city that feels alive in every sense. In 2025, it's buzzing with cultural events, art exhibitions, and a food scene that blends deep tradition with bold creativity. Here, you can wander through the world's largest Gothic cathedral, get lost in the gardens of the Royal Alcázar, and step into the jaw-dropping Plaza de España, one of the most photographed squares in Europe. The city's mild winters and sunny spring and autumn make it a great year-round destination, while summer brings a fiery energy and temperatures that locals embrace with late-night strolls and open-air dining. And the best part? Seville is compact and walkable, yet full of surprises. Getting there in local transport. If you're flying in, San Pablo Airport is just 15 minutes from the city center. Budget airlines like Ryanair, Vueling, and EasyJet connect Seville to major European cities year-round. From the airport, the EA Airport bus runs every 20-30 minutes and will drop you right in the center for around €4. Coming from Madrid, the AVE high-speed train is a fantastic option. You'll be here in just 2.5 hours, stepping off at Santa Justa station. Once in the city, getting around is easy. Walking is perfect for the historic center's narrow streets. Buses and the tram, affordable, frequent, and well-connected via the TUSM network. Metro, only one line, but useful for certain neighborhoods. Cycling, the Ceviche bike share is great for exploring at your own pace. And here's a treat. Much of Seville's Old Town is car-free, making it a joy to wander without traffic. Where to stay? If you want to be in the heart of the action, Barrio Santa Cruz is your spot. A maze of whitewashed alleys, colorful tiles, and charming patios. For a more authentic local vibe, Triana across the river is known for its flamenco heritage and lively tapas bars. If you're splurging, the legendary Hotel Alfonso XIII delivers luxury and history in equal measure. Budget travelers should look at boutique hostels or guest houses around Alameda de Hercule, a trendy square packed with cafes, bars, and live music. Tip: if your trip coincides with Semana Santa or Feria de Abril, book well in advance. Prices skyrocket during these iconic festivals. What to see in hidden gems? Royal Alcázar, a palace complex with intricate Moorish design, lush gardens, and even Game of Thrones filming locations. Book ahead to skip the lines. Seville Cathedral and La Giralda. Climb the ramp for panoramic views. See Christopher Columbus's tomb. Plaza de España, a masterpiece of tiled alcoves, canals, and sweeping curves. Metropole Parasol, Las Setas, the world's largest wooden structure, offering panoramic sunsets from its skywalk. Hidden gems, Casa de Pilatos, a fusion of Renaissance elegance and Mudéjar artistry. Palacio de las Dueñas, lush gardens and historic charm. The Hospital de los Venerables, a quiet Baroque treasure. Mercado de Triana, a colorful riverside market with fresh produce and local bites. Ayer Ancient Baths, a luxurious spa in a restored Mudejar building. Food and drinks. You must try. Seville is a paradise for food lovers. You simply can't leave without tasting salmorejo, a creamy chilled tomato soup topped with jamón and egg. Espinacas con garbanzos, hearty spinach with chickpeas. Pescado frito, crispy golden fried fish. Jamón ibérico, melt-in-your-mouth cured ham. Churros with hot chocolate, the perfect morning indulgence. For drinks, cool down with a tinto de verano, red wine with lemon soda, or try the sweet orange wine from Huelva. For the most authentic tapas, step into El Rinconcillo, open since 1670, grab a spot at Bodega Santa Cruz Las Columnas, or enjoy modern twist at La Azotea. Travel Tips 2025. See big attractions early in the morning to avoid crowds. Carry some cash. Small tapas bars may not take cards. In summer, embrace the siesta. Most shops close from 2 until 5 p.m. Wear comfortable shoes for cobblestone streets. Download offline maps for easy navigation. For flamenco, skip the touristy shows. Book Casa de la Memoria or Tablao El Arenal. Fun facts. Did you know that the Giralda Tower was originally a 12th century minaret? Plaza de España has appeared in Star Wars and Lawrence of Arabia. Tapas originated here. Legend says they began as small plates used to cover drinks. The city's bitter oranges are exported to make British marmalade. Common mistakes. Visiting in August without heat prep, temperatures can hit 40 degrees Celsius. Eating only in tourist areas, venture into local neighborhoods. Skipping Triana. You'll miss one of Seville's most authentic districts. Not booking Alcázar or cathedral tickets in advance, queues can be over an hour. Why it's worth it. Seville is more than a destination. It's an experience that lingers. It's the golden glow of evening on whitewashed walls, the sound of guitars in hidden courtyards, the taste of that first bite of jamón. Every moment here feels alive. Whether you're staying for a weekend or a week, Seville has a way of making you want to return before you've even left. And that's our 2025 Seville travel guide. If this inspired you to visit, give the video a like, subscribe for more guides, and share it with a friend who needs some Spanish sunshine. See you in the next adventure. Happy travels!